6. Let's talk about the insurance company. Do I need insurance, and what are the benefits? A lender requirements for insurance. If you are financing your purchase with a mortgage, the lender requires evidence of insurance before the close of escrow, COE. You will not be able to close without this requirement being fulfilled. Additionally, federal regulations mandate that you maintain active insurance coverage on the property throughout the life of the loan. B. Insurance for cash buyers. If you are purchasing the property with cash, insurance is not required to close escrow or afterward. However, protecting your investment with insurance is highly recommended to safeguard against potential losses. C. Consequences of canceling or lacking insurance. After COE, if the lender determines that you lack or have canceled your homeowner's insurance policy, the lender may enforce force-placed insurance. Force-placed insurance is typically more expensive and provides limited coverage, as required by federal guidelines. Alternatively, the lender may demand immediate payment of the loan's outstanding balance. D. Benefits of homeowners insurance. You never know what could happen. Homeowners insurance offers coverage for fire damage to the structure, theft of personal property, storm-related damages, including intense storms and strong winds, liability coverage if someone is injured on your property. E. Consult your insurance agent. Reach out to your insurance agent to obtain the appropriate policy required by your lender and discuss any additional insurance needs for your property. F. Friendly reminders before COE. Typically, your realtor or loan officer will remind you a few days before COE to submit evidence of insurance to avoid delays. Congratulations! You've completed the insurance company section. Please proceed to the next video on the home warranty company section. Feel free to revisit this section or any previous videos if you need further clarification on any information.